Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating the actual button block on the page. Open the target page, type /button and select the template button option. You'll see a minimal form. Name the label clearly so anyone sees the purpose. Then click to edit the template content area, add the text, blocks, or subpages you want the button to create. Once done, set the number of copies the button produces and place the block where users will expect it, near related content for clarity. Next, configure what the button actually does and why it matters. Open the template editor inside the button and build the exact page or items the button should generate, including headings, toggles, database inline views, or checklists. If you need structured records, create a template row inside the target database and point the button to it. Make sure default properties like tags, assignees, and dates are set. Once configured, include contextual text around the button so users understand its effect before pressing it. Finally, test thoroughly. Press the button and inspect the created page or database entry, then iterate on the template until output matches your workflow. Make sure viewers have the necessary workspace permissions to view or create the generated items. Change sharing or lock settings as needed. Once stable, add a short usage note and pin or favorite the page for easy access. If it doesn't work, refresh Notion, confirm the block is a template button, not another block, and verify database template links and access rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.